Welcome, fellow travelers, to an incredible journey through the dazzling city of Dubai. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this magnificent destination, from its towering skyscrapers to thrilling desert escapades. We are about to embark on a perfect 7-day itinerary designed to give you the most unforgettable Dubai adventure. Whether you are a first-time visitor, a seasoned explorer, or even an expat looking for new experiences, this guide is packed with excitement. We'll cover everything from iconic landmarks to hidden gems, ensuring your trip is nothing short of spectacular. So, pack your bags, charge your cameras, and let's dive into the magic of Dubai. Your day one begins with a visit to the heart of its modern wonders, Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. This architectural marvel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the entire city. Remember to book your tickets well in advance, especially if you want to catch a stunning sunset from the observation deck. The views from up there are truly out of this world, giving you a bird's-eye perspective of Dubai's incredible growth. It's an absolute must-do for any visitor. Right next to the Burj Khalifa, you'll find the massive Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise, and so much more. This isn't just a mall, it's an entertainment hub with an indoor ice rink, a giant aquarium, and countless dining options. You could easily spend hours here just exploring. As evening approaches, prepare to be mesmerized by the breathtaking Dubai Fountain Show. Located just outside the Dubai Mall, this spectacular water and light performance dances to various musical pieces. It's a truly magical experience, especially with the Burj Khalifa as its backdrop. The fountain shows run every evening, and finding a good spot to watch is part of the fun. Grab a coffee or a snack and enjoy the incredible spectacle. Day 1 sets the tone for an amazing week ahead, filled with wonder and excitement. Day 2 takes us on a journey through Dubai's innovative spirit and offers a touch of romance. Our first stop is the iconic Dubai Frame, a colossal architectural landmark that perfectly frames the city's past and future. From its sky bridge, you get incredible panoramic views. One side showcases old Dubai, while the other reveals the modern skyline. It's a unique perspective that truly highlights the city's evolution. Don't forget to walk on the transparent glass floor for an exhilarating experience. Next, prepare to be amazed by the Museum of the Future. This incredible institution is not just a museum, it's a gateway to 2071. It explores how society could evolve in the coming decades through technology and innovation. The building itself is a work of art, with stunning calligraphy adorning its exterior. Inside, interactive exhibits and immersive experiences will spark your imagination. It's a truly thought-provoking and inspiring visit. As the sun sets, unwind with a relaxing dhow cruise in the evening. Glide along the Dubai Creek or Marina, enjoying a delicious dinner under the stars. The city lights twinkling around you create a truly romantic and unforgettable atmosphere. Many cruises offer traditional entertainment and a buffet dinner, making it a perfect way to see Dubai from a different perspective. It's a serene end to a day filled with futuristic marvels and beautiful sights. Get ready for a day of vibrant colors and exhilarating adventures on day 3. We start our morning at the stunning Miracle Garden, a floral wonderland unlike any other. This seasonal attraction boasts millions of flowers arranged in incredible designs and structures. From giant floral airplanes to heart-shaped archways, every corner is a photo opportunity. It's a truly enchanting place that will delight your senses with its beauty and fragrance. Make sure to check its operating season before your visit. In the afternoon, prepare for the ultimate Dubai experience, a thrilling desert safari. This adventure begins with exhilarating dune bashing, where skilled drivers navigate the golden sands in 4x4 vehicles. Hold on tight for an adrenaline rush. After the thrilling ride, you'll have the chance to try camel riding, a traditional desert activity. As evening approaches, settle into a Bedouin-style camp for a traditional dinner under the stars. Enjoy live entertainment like belly dancing and fire shows. This immersive experience offers a glimpse into the rich culture of the Arabian desert. It's a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. The desert sunset is also an unforgettable sight. Day 4 is all about immersive experiences and cultural delights. We begin our day by stepping into the captivating world of Aya Universe. This unique attraction offers a multi-sensory journey through interactive art installations and light shows. It's a truly mesmerizing experience that transports you to different dimensions. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning visuals and innovative technology. It's a fantastic spot for unique photos and unforgettable memories. Next, we head to the iconic Palm Jumeirah, an engineering marvel shaped like a palm tree. Here, you can marvel at the grandeur of Atlantis, the Palm, a magnificent resort with an incredible water park. Even if you don't stay there, its sheer scale is impressive. You can walk along the boardwalks, enjoy the views, or simply soak in the luxurious atmosphere. The Palm Jumeirah is a testament to Dubai's ambition and vision. It's a truly unique part of the city. As evening descends, prepare for a cultural extravaganza at Global Village. This seasonal outdoor park brings together cultures from around the world in one vibrant location. Explore pavilions representing different countries, each offering unique shopping, food, and entertainment. From street food to traditional crafts, Global Village is a feast for the senses. Enjoy live performances, thrilling rides, and a lively atmosphere. It's a fantastic way to experience a taste of the world in one place. Day 5 offers a mix of thrilling heights and relaxing beach vibes. We start our day with a ride on the Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel. From its comfortable cabins, you'll get unparalleled 360-degree views of the city, coastline, and beyond. It's a truly spectacular way to see Dubai from above, offering a different perspective than the Burj Khalifa. The slow rotation allows you to take in all the sights at your leisure. It's a memorable experience for everyone. After your sky-high adventure, it's time to relax and soak up the sun on Dubai's beautiful beaches. Head to Jumeirah Beach or Marina Beach, both offering pristine sands and clear waters. Enjoy a swim, sunbathe, or simply stroll along the shore. These beaches are perfect for unwinding and enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. You'll find plenty of cafes and restaurants nearby for a refreshing drink or a delicious meal. It's the perfect antidote to a busy day of sightseeing. As night falls, prepare to be enchanted by the magical Glow Garden. This unique attraction transforms into a wonderland of illuminated art installations and sculptures. Everything glows, creating a truly whimsical and captivating experience. It's a fantastic place for families and anyone looking for a unique evening outing. The creativity and artistry on display are truly impressive. It's a delightful way to end your day in Dubai. On day 6, we embark on an exciting day trip to Dubai's neighboring emirate, Abu Dhabi. This journey offers a change of pace and a chance to explore more of the UAE's incredible heritage and luxury. The drive itself is scenic and comfortable. Our first and most significant stop is the stunning Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, a true masterpiece of Islamic architecture. Its pristine white marble, intricate designs, and grand scale are simply breathtaking. Remember to dress modestly to respect the sacred space. The mosque is a symbol of beauty, peace, and tolerance, welcoming visitors from all faiths. Take your time to admire the world's largest hand-knotted carpet and the exquisite chandeliers. It's an awe-inspiring experience that will stay with you. Next, we'll explore the luxurious Emirates Palace, a symbol of Arabian hospitality and opulence. While it's a hotel, its grand architecture and lavish interiors are worth seeing. You can enjoy a coffee or a meal here, soaking in the extravagant surroundings. The palace grounds are equally impressive, with manicured gardens and stunning fountains. It's a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle that Abu Dhabi is known for. It truly feels like stepping into a royal residence. This day trip allows you to experience the cultural richness of Abu Dhabi, from its spiritual landmarks to its modern luxury. It's a perfect complement to your Dubai itinerary, offering a broader perspective of the UAE. As your incredible 7-day Dubai adventure draws to a close, Day 7 is dedicated to immersing yourself in the city's vibrant traditional markets and picking up some last-minute treasures. We start our exploration at the bustling Gold Souk. This historic market is a dazzling display of gold, silver, and precious stones. Even if you're not buying, it's an experience in itself to walk through the alleys and admire the incredible craftsmanship. Don't be afraid to haggle for the best prices. Just a short walk away, you'll find the aromatic spice souk. Here, the air is filled with the scents of exotic spices, herbs, and traditional remedies. It's a sensory delight, offering a glimpse into Dubai's trading past. You can find everything from saffron and frankincense to dried fruits and nuts. It's a fantastic place to pick up unique culinary souvenirs for friends and family back home. The vibrant colors and smells are truly captivating. After exploring the souks, dedicate some time to souvenir shopping. Whether it's traditional handicrafts, local perfumes, or modern trinkets, Dubai offers a wide array of options. The Dubai Mall or smaller boutiques are great for this. This final day is perfect for soaking in the authentic charm of old Dubai and finding those perfect mementos. It's also a great time to reflect on all the amazing experiences you've had. Then, it's time to prepare for your departure, filled with incredible memories. And there you have it, a whirlwind 7-day journey through the magnificent city of Dubai. From the dizzying heights of the Burj Khalifa to the serene beauty of the desert, Dubai truly is a city of endless possibilities and unforgettable experiences. Every day brings a new adventure, a new wonder to behold. We hope this itinerary inspires your next trip and helps you plan an incredible adventure. Dubai is waiting to welcome you with open arms and dazzling sights. It's a city that constantly reinvents itself, offering something new with every visit. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream Dubai getaway today. If you loved this guide, like this video, share it with your friends who are dreaming of a Dubai trip, subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content, and hit that bell button so you never miss an update. Happy travels, and we'll see you on the next adventure.